Alrighty, here we go, syncing. Might as well do both audio options since I'm not sure how bad that's going to come out. But that being said, got some stuff to unbox. Had it for a couple weeks, and I just haven't had time to get to it all. So we're going to open these up, see what we got, and then try and fix the crazy bad rubbing on the Miata and figure out what it's touching when it is rubbing. Ooh, okay, I know what this is. So this is from 949 Racing. And this is exciting because this is going to be for the Miata new set of wheels. And so these are forged wheel lugs. It's a whole set. So we got a whole set of forged lugs, and these wheels are going to be bronze. So we're going to have red on the bronze wheels on the blue car. So it's going to be flashy. I hope it looks okay. These are conical to match the conical seating. So it's really cool. Really nice packaging. Super official. Super easy to open. I'm excited to try these out, and they're open, so they can thread all the way through if you need to. And this is also nice because I have an extra set of wheels. I really have just been reusing the same set of lug nuts, so it's good to have an extra set because eventually one of these extra sets of wheels is going to go on the red Miata. So it's good to have that peace of mind of not needing to buy lugs later on and go super cheap or whatever. That's just my invoice. Cool. All right, let's do this one. Smaller one. It's kind of heavy though. And this one's from Goodwin Racing. If you're familiar with the Miata world, you would be aware of their products. Goodwin's got a pretty good website for the most part. Sometimes they have pictures that aren't fully updated, but they got good stuff. Alright. Nice wrapping. Seems safe. Oh, I know what this is. So this is a Blackbird Fabworx front tow hook mount, and it's made to be bent a bit or curved so that when you're actually having your car pulled with this, it's not going to damage the bumper. Say that like a cable has to attach or something like that. It's not going to be basically the angle of, say, them pulling the car or towing the car is not going to touch either the bottom or the front of the bumper from in the air dam. So this is really nice quality. It actually matches the stripes on the Miata, so that's really exciting. And then it comes with a red Sparko strap, so that's kind of cool. It'll look like it has a little kind of like tongue kind of hanging out. But this is totally functional. It's not like a show piece. So this will be exciting to have. And I haven't even really shared, but I have a track day coming up next month in August. So within the next like 20 days, we'll be heading out to Thunder Hill to do our first track day in the Miata. So it's super exciting, and I can't wait. So this is one of those things that I need. The other thing I need to get is a helmet, and I already got my size, so I just need to order a helmet, which I should do that probably tonight. And then there's our last one. This one's more of a light one, and this one's from Enjuku. So this is probably from the turbo order. This one's just been kind of running behind. I actually forgot. I'm not really sure what this is. It must be something that didn't come with the main order. Oh, wow. So this is a exhaust silencer that was on back order for the ISR circuit spec exhaust. because it's loud. It drones really hard when you're just doing a road trip or something. So we definitely got to try this out. I'm super excited to see how sleeper the car sounds, how quiet it sounds with this on there. But yeah, okay, cool. I forgot I ordered that, so that's actually super funny. Let me go grab one of the new wheels so we can kind of get an idea of what these are going to look like, which is super exciting. I don't think I've ever showed the wheels either, not on video at least. So it's kind of almost like a muted bronze. Oops. Trying to prevent everything from blowing away because it's a little windy. Look at that. Wow. That'll be my thumbnail. So it's 15 by 9, 4 by 100 bolt pattern, offset 36, center bore 54.1, special for the Miata. And it says the weight is 6.96 kilograms, and hopefully that's per wheel. I think that would make. Let's see. What is 6 point? Let's figure out how much that weighs. So right here, Google is saying 15.3 pounds. And honestly, it feels like it. They feel so light. Look at that. Where is it? There we go. Those are gonna look so good. It's gonna be crazy. I guess with these on the car, I'll run my blue lugs. But if I ever need to mount these to the red Miata, I'll also have these red ones. So I guess I'll interchange them because those are forged as well. But yeah, that's pretty much that. And there's my mom and a chicken. Where you going, buddy? Go back into the field where you came from. But yeah, that's all the stuff to unbox. Now let's figure out what's going on with the wheel.